Just want to make a quick video explaining a project that I've been working on for about a month. This project came about when a friend of mine and I went to Boston for a 24-hour print-a-thon, 3D print-a-thon. We ended up coming up with this idea, which is mostly electronic, not much printing, and we ended up coming in second. We never finished, obviously. It's finally all tweaked out and got all the bugs out and everything works perfect in the code. So basically what it is it's going to be a Bluetooth keyboard. It'll be part of a phone case, and it's a Braille keyboard for the blind. So blind people, as of right now, when they use their phone, they use the normal keyboard, they have really no idea what they're hitting if they don't have some kind of feedback, like a voice feedback or Siri or something telling them to hit K or L or N or what have you. And I haven't seen anything really like this. So here's Braille. Braille's it's a very nice little system, very algorithmic, very pretty. As you can see, it goes across a pattern. You can make all your characters, letters, numbers, modifiers, symbols. It's all based off of 6 dots for each character, 3 and 3. So my keyboard has this same setup, 3 and 3, to represent each one of the possible combinations that you can make to type Braille. This is the space, this is the backspace, this is a slide switch to turn off the whole system, and this is a Bluetooth reset button. As you can see, it has its own dedicated battery with 400 milliamps, a little USB 2.0 to plug in and charge this battery and charge this system. So it's going to be on a phone case, and this will be, like I said, the back. So if I grab my phone case right here, you can see I have my own circuit board that I want to make. I'm going to get a PCB and incorporate these 2 boards and put them together. I'll show you that in a second. And that will go in here, and then on the back will be the button. So the phone case will go on the phone, connect via Bluetooth, and you can type. I'm going to print out the case here, use some Ninja Flex nylon, whatever. But here, I'm going to do a quick demo. As you can see, the code, very algorithmic due to the algorithmic nature of Braille. But we managed to get the whole thing done in under 150 lines of code with comments, which is pretty awesome considering what it does. Mostly doing thanks to a large array of combinations that we made. But yeah, just a bunch of if statements and loops and stuff to generate the right code. So as you can see, this is connected now. There's nothing connecting the phone to this except for that Bluetooth shield, the RN42. And I'm going to use my cheat sheet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and then W, X, Y, Z. So as you can see, and then I could do the number modifier, and then now I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then I can go back, redo this and make it capital. So capital A, capital B, capital C, or F, capital C. Basically does all this. Pretty good system Braille has here, except for W. It's a French system, and French doesn't have W in their language, so it was added after the fact, so it doesn't follow the algorithmic sequence, so it kind of screws you up in order. Let's see here. Like I said, got my just the layout that you see here, this schematic, and I'm going to design my PCB here, taking this core processor, this Bluetooth shield and what have you off, and then just putting it all in one board. And then I'm going to start designing my phone case in SolidWorks. I already got a leg up on this, but I started designing my case here. I'm going to start printing it once I get all of this into a tiny enough profile that it all fits. Printed out a few things in Ninja Flex. I'm trying out different buttons, different settings. There's anything else I want to say? I guess that's pretty much it for now. I want to add this little navigation analog joystick here for the thumb to navigate the phone. So you basically do your controls and you'll have a voiceover. So let's see if I can get the voiceover accessibility to work here.
Accessibility settings. Home. Messaging. Showing item. Messaging.
So this is how blind people navigate their phone, usually, or from what I've seen in my lifetime. They have to have some kind of feedback like that. But
A.
as we type,
B. C. D. I.
it's not.
E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. P. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. U. Z.
And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna probably get this done within the next month or two, and my partner and I, we plan on launching this as a product and maybe kickstarting it. Looking for capital, seed capital, to get this off the ground. I'll keep you posted as it gets done.